Welcome to NEET class. The geometry and magnetic behavior of the complex nickel tetracarbonyl. Today we are going to study this complex contains the geometry and magnetic behavior. First we consider the metal atom. The element is nickel. Nickel has atomic number 28. The electronic configuration is argon 3d8 4s2. First we draw the shell diagram for this nickel complex. This contains 3D shell. D orbital has 5 orientations. This is 3D. Then 4s orbital. This is only one orientation. For support, we draw the 4p orbital. Next, we calculate the oxidation state for this complex. We consider symbol X for nickel atom. Then the ligand is carbonyl, is a neutral ligand. So we put the values 0. 1 carbonyl contains 0. 4 carbonyl multiple with 0 also 0. So the oxidation number for nickel is 0. Then we write this orbital state for this complex. We have the oxidation state value is 0. In this nickel atom has the 8 electron in 3d orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 electron in 4s orbital. Okay. Next, we fill the electron to this complex. This complex contains carbonyl is the ligand. Carbonyl is the strong ligand. Carbonyl is the strong ligand. So pairing occurs. So this box contains 2 electron. This also 2 electron. This also 2 electron. This 2 electron combined with this 2 box. This already available electron. This 4s2 electron will mixed with this 2 box. So next empty box, from this box we filled the carbonyl ligand. So 1, 2, we have 4 carbonyl ligands. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 orbital is the carbonyl, filling the carbonyl ligand. The hybridization is this carbonyl ligand filled in s orbital and the carbonyl ligand filled in p1, p2, p3. So p3 orbital. So the hybridization of this complex is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means the geometry is tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry. Next question is the magnetic behavior. This complex orbital has the pairing of electrons. So it is a diamagnetic nature. If it contains the unpaired electron, so that is paramagnetic, but in this case the all electrons are paired. So this complex is diamagnetic nature. So the question, the geometry and magnetic behavior of the complex nickel tetracarbonyl. Nickel tetracarbonyl is sp3 hybridization. So tetrahedral geometry and diamagnetic nature. That is answer. Nickel tetracarbonyl is the tetrahedral geometry and diamagnetic nature. Thank you.